Step into the 2007 Lincoln Navigator. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Lincoln are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, skid plates, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. State-of-the-art amenities, such as memory seats and adjustable pedals, yield a more personal driving experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.